Could the secret to wealth be hiding in plain sight, not in your investments or savings, but tucked away in your pocket or purse? While financial experts debate over stocks and real estate, a millennia-old practice suggests your financial upturn could start with something as simple as reorganizing your wallet. Critics may scoff at the idea, but what if I told you that this ancient wisdom has turned skeptics into believers? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of Feng Shui for your wallet. Welcome back to Mystica Finance, where the mystical and the material meet to unlock new dimensions of wealth and well-being. Today, we're delving into a topic that might just change the way you view your everyday financial tools. Feng Shui, your wallet for wealth, tips and tricks promises to be more than just a guide. It's a revelation. We're here to explore how the ancient art of Feng Shui can transform your wallet from a mere accessory into a magnet for prosperity and abundance. Before we dive into the secrets and strategies, remember to hit like if you're curious, subscribe for more enriching content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our journey through the mystical pathways to financial success. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever considered that the state of your wallet could directly influence your financial health? Drop your initial thoughts in the comments below, and let's see if we can turn skeptics into believers by the end of this video. Important! This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. In Feng Shui, every object we own carries energy, qi. This includes the wallet, your personal treasury. It's not just where you keep your money. It's a symbol of your wealth and financial aspirations. A cluttered, disorganized wallet is seen as an obstacle to wealth, signaling to the universe that you're not ready or willing to handle more. On the flip side, a wallet that's well organized, respected, and aligned with Feng Shui principles is believed to attract more wealth and opportunities. So why does this matter? Because in the world of Feng Shui, intention and energy are everything. The state of your wallet reflects your attitudes towards money and wealth. Are you treating your money with respect? Is your financial energy flowing freely, or is it stuck? Consider this. When was the last time you cleaned out your wallet? Do you hold on to receipts or old tickets out of habit? Feng Shui teaches us that these habits can symbolically clog your financial flow. By applying Feng Shui principles to your wallet, you're not just organizing your money, you're setting a powerful intention for wealth to come into your life. Let's pause for a moment. Think about the current state of your wallet. On a scale from 1 to 10, how well does it reflect your financial aspirations? Share your score in the comments below and keep watching as we reveal how to Feng Shui your wallet for maximum wealth attraction. Practical Feng Shui tips for your wallet. Transforming your wallet into a magnet for prosperity involves more than just tidying up. Here are actionable Feng Shui tips to re-energize your wallet and, by extension, your financial health. Choose the right color. In Feng Shui, colors carry significant energy. A wallet in red, green, or gold can attract wealth. Red symbolizes luck and wealth in many cultures. Green represents growth and renewal, and gold embodies wealth and prosperity. Keep it clean and organized. A cluttered wallet equals a cluttered financial life. Regularly clean out old receipts, expired cards, and unnecessary items. Ensure your cash is neatly arranged, not crumpled or disorganized. This signals to the universe that you're ready to handle more wealth. Incorporate wealth symbols. Place symbols of wealth inside your wallet. This could be a gold coin, a three-legged frog charm, or even a picture of a wealth deity. These symbols act as reminders of your wealth goals and attract financial blessings. Choose a good location. Don't just throw your wallet anywhere when you get home. Designate a respectful place for it, ideally in the wealth corner of your home or in a drawer that's clean and organized. This honors your wealth and encourages more to flow towards you. Refresh your wallet regularly. Consider changing your wallet every few years or when it starts to wear out. A fresh wallet signifies a fresh start for your finances and can help shake off any stagnant energy from the old one. Before we move on, which of these tips are you most excited to try? Or do you have a personal Feng Shui wallet tip to share? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a wealth of knowledge together. Stay tuned as we delve into the do's and don'ts of Feng Shui for your wallet, ensuring you're not inadvertently repelling wealth. Do's and don'ts of Feng Shui for your wallet. Adopting Feng Shui principles for your wallet isn't just about what you should do. It's equally important to be aware of what you should avoid. Here are the essential do's and don'ts to ensure your wallet is truly a beacon of abundance. Do's. Do keep your wallet organized. This cannot be overstated. A tidy wallet allows for the free flow of energy and prosperity. Do use your wealth colors wisely. While colors like red, green, and gold are powerful, choose one that resonates with you and your energy. Do treat your money with respect. Always keep your bills sorted and unfolded. This shows respect for the wealth you already have, inviting more into your life. Don'ts. Don't keep expired cards or receipts. These represent stagnation and can block new financial opportunities from coming your way. Don't overstuff your wallet. While it might be tempting to fill your wallet to the brim, too much clutter can symbolically choke your financial flow. Don't neglect the state of your wallet. A worn-out wallet can symbolize deteriorating wealth. Keep an eye on its condition and replace it when necessary. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are there any do's or don'ts that you found particularly effective in your experience? Or perhaps you've noticed changes in your financial situation after adjusting how you manage your wallet based on these principles. Share your stories or tips in the comments below. Your insight could be the key to unlocking someone else's financial prosperity. Integrating Feng Shui principles for daily financial growth. Incorporating Feng Shui into your daily life for financial growth goes beyond just organizing your wallet. It's about embracing a mindset and lifestyle that attracts abundance. Here's how you can apply Feng Shui principles each day to open up channels of wealth. Start each day with intention. Upon waking, affirm your openness to abundance. A simple affirmation like "Today, I welcome wealth and opportunities" sets a positive tone. Mindful spending. Each time you open your wallet to spend, do it with gratitude and intention. Reflect briefly on the flow of wealth, acknowledging that what goes out will come back manifold. Regular wallet cleansing. Once a week, take a moment to declutter your wallet, reaffirming your commitment to financial clarity and prosperity. Visualize abundance. Spend a few minutes daily visualizing your financial goals as already achieved. This practice aligns your energy with the vibration of abundance. Gratitude. End your day by reflecting on and writing down 3 financial blessings you received or observed. Gratitude amplifies the abundance already in your life. By weaving these practices into the fabric of your daily routine, you align yourself more closely with the principles of Feng Shui, and by extension, with the flow of prosperity. As we wrap up our journey through the mystical world of Feng Shui and its application to our wallets, it's essential to remember that Feng Shui is more than just organizing or decorating. It's about intentionally setting the stage for prosperity and abundance to flow into our lives. By following the tips and tricks we've shared, you're not just rearranging items in your wallet, you're transforming your mindset towards money, opening yourself to the wealth and opportunities that the universe has to offer. If you found value in this exploration of Feng Shui for financial growth, don't hesitate to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these insights. And let's not forget about the challenge we proposed. It's an opportunity not just for physical rearrangement, but for a profound shift in how we perceive and interact with our financial resources. Remember, your journey to financial success is paved with the intentions you set and the actions you take. Here's to creating a life of abundance, one step at a time. See you in the next video.